The year 2011 so far has been quite neutral, but I am sure that now with the festival season about to begin, I think the real estate sector is going to look up. For some time there have been issues related to land in the Delhi NCR region, and that has brought in some kind of a slowdown in the real estate sector, but I am sure that all this is going to change. The dust is settling down, and I think this Puja and Diwali we are going to have an increase in the real estate prices, and I think residential is an evergreen area because there is a huge demand for residential dwelling units, and I am quite confident and positive that residential sector is going to do well this season. And as far as the affordable housing projects are concerned, I think developers in the north have already put up quite a few projects, but somehow these projects have not really seen the light of the day, and I hope that the year 2012 is going to see the completion of most of these projects. And one very important development in North India is the policy which the government of Rajasthan has brought about very recently. They have brought in as many as 5 models for public-private partnerships, giving various shades of intervention for the real estate developers to play a positive role, and I think the government has been extremely proactive in Rajasthan, and I will be very happy personally to see the similar kind of a thing happening in Uttar Pradesh and in Haryana. It's not that they have not been proactive in the past, but similar kind of models where the government takes one step forward and the real estate developers also take one step forward, and together I think both of them can make it happen. And as far as this event is concerned, I think this is a very timely event that's being organized by the Franchise India. Good practices in the real estate sector need to be rewarded, and I think the real estate awards that we are going to have today are exactly going to do that, to encourage the developers and the brokers who have done well in the past, so that they are able to do much better in the future. And also the media initiative by the Franchise India to launch this real estate world bi-monthly magazine, as well as the real estate reports that they are planning to launch. The first one, North India 2011, has just come out, and they hope to do similar kind of launches in other parts of the country as well. I think these are all very important initiatives that are being taken by Franchise India, and I think they will go a long way in professionalizing the real estate industry.